Hey, gadget lovers! Too many people these days struggle with choosing their first guitar, often overwhelmed by options and unsure where to start. Picking the right beginner instrument can make the difference between a lifelong passion and a closet decoration. Upgrading from that old untuned hand-me-down or making a confident first purchase will upgrade your practice in ways you didn't know were possible. This is because the best beginner guitars go beyond just looking the part. They inspire you to play. We've done the research and have the top 5 options ready and waiting. But first, make sure to use our links in the description below because they're going to take you straight to the latest discounts and prices for every product we talk about. Let's get started. Coming in at number 5 is the Ashthorpe 38-inch beginner acoustic guitar package in mint green. This is Amazon's choice with over 8,000 glowing reviews, and it's easy to see why, especially for a younger student or a teen just getting started. Priced at just $62.99, it's an incredible value bundle. This isn't just a guitar, it's a complete starter kit. You get the 38-inch right-handed acoustic guitar itself, a gig bag, a strap, a digital tuner, a pitch pipe, picks, and even an extra set of strings. The guitar is crafted entirely from laminated basswood, which gives it a versatile and warm tone with a bright sound that projects nicely for a beginner instrument. It features 18 smooth frets, a 25-inch scale length, and an easy-to-hold neck, making it perfectly sized and designed for learning. For the absolute beginner who wants everything in one box without a big investment, the Ashthorpe package is a stellar all-in-one place to begin your musical journey. Taking the 4th spot is the Moukey 41-inch full-size acoustic guitar for beginners. This is a step up into a full-size dreadnought body, which means a bigger, fuller, and more vibrant tone that's suited for all styles of music. Priced at $119.99, this bundle is also packed with everything you need. It includes the guitar, a padded gig bag, a tuner, a strap, a capo, strings, picks, and a very helpful chord poster that lets you start learning chords on day one. The Moukey features a cutaway design, which makes it easier to reach those higher frets as you progress. It's built with a basswood body, an okumi wood fretboard, and a mahogany neck for comfortable playability. A key highlight is its reliable tuning stability, thanks to its 1-to-14 enclosed copper tuning machines, a hard bridge saddle, and a bone nut. For the adult or teen starter who wants a true full-size guitar with a comprehensive kit and a feature-rich design like the cutaway and detailed fret markers, the Moukey offers tremendous value and a serious platform to grow on. Landing at number 3 is another fantastic full-size option, the Best Choice Products 41-inch all-wood cutaway guitar starter set. Also priced at $119.99, this kit is a bestseller for a reason, boasting over 10,000 reviews. It's another complete all-in-one set that spares you from buying any extras, including a standout protective padded carrying case with a shockproof rubber bottom and storage, a strap, a capo, strings, picks, a cleaning cloth, and a pick guard. The guitar itself has a classic dreadnought shape for a warm, pleasant tone, and features a cutaway design for accessing higher notes. It's constructed with an all-wood body and a comfortable 41-inch design. While its material specifications are described more generally than some others, its massive popularity and the quality of the included accessories, especially that rugged case, make it a reliably excellent choice for both beginners and intermediate players who want a no-fuss, ready-to-travel kit right out of the box. Now for our number 2 pick, we shift from acoustic to electric with a legendary name, the Fender Squier Debut Series Stratocaster. This is the number 1 bestseller in solid body electric guitars for beginners, and it's backed by Fender's 75-year legacy. At $146.99, it represents a fantastic entry into the world of electric guitar. This Dakota Red Stratocaster comes with a super comfortable thin, lightweight poplar body and a C-shaped maple neck with a laurel fingerboard, designed specifically for beginner playability. It features 3 single-coil pickups with a 5-way switch, offering a wide range of classic crisp Strat tones that have defined generations of music. A huge added value is that it includes a 2-year warranty and a free subscription to Fender Play, which gives you access to thousands of instructional videos to build your skills from day one. If you've dreamed of starting on a classic, trusted electric guitar shape with professional-grade learning tools, the Squier Debut Series Stratocaster is an almost unbeatable pathway. And finally, our top pick for the best beginner guitar package overall is the Donner DST 100B 39-inch electric guitar beginner kit. Priced at $169.99, this isn't just a guitar, it's an entire ecosystem for a new player. The kit includes the solid poplar body electric guitar with a stylish HSS pickup configuration. That's one powerful humbucker and two single coils for incredible tonal versatility from blues to rock. It has a comfortable Canadian maple neck with a Purple Heart fingerboard and 22 smooth frets. Crucially, Donner includes a portable mini amplifier with headphone and auxiliary jacks for silent practice, or jam-along, a quality gig bag, a digital tuner, a capo, a strap, extra strings, a cable, and picks. It's the most comprehensive kit on our list, ensuring you can literally unbox it and start playing and learning immediately. For its balance of a quality, versatile guitar, a practice amp, and every single accessory a starter could need, the Donner DST 100B kit provides unparalleled out-of-the-box value and is our #1 recommendation to launch your guitar journey with everything you need to succeed.